Just think for a moment. You open your brokerage account and everything is in red. All of your profit that you have accumulated in the past year is gone in just one day. This can be very overwhelming, and all you can think about is just selling your stocks and salvage whatever you have remaining in your account. It does not matter how much money you have already lost. You only want to save the money that you have left in your account. Well, this is exactly what happened yesterday. The stock market lost almost 900 points in a single day, and it has lost about 1600 points in the last couple of days. As a beginner in investment, this can cause immense pressure for you to sell your stocks so that you don't lose any more money. On top of that, yesterday new regulations were announced that Germany is going to go in a second lockdown starting from the 2nd of November, and things start to look gloomy all over again. So what is causing the market to go down? There are many reasons, but you can boil it down to two things. The first reason being the new record number of cases being registered. Yesterday we saw in Germany about 15,000 new cases in a single day. This is a record-breaking number. Similarly, in the US we have also seen record number of cases registered in a single day. These humongous number of cases are causing instability in the investors, and they are trying to get as much cash from their stocks as they can before anything even worse happens. Second thing is the US elections. Historically speaking, the stock market becomes very volatile when it is near the election time in the USA, because no one knows what the next president is going to do. If a new president is elected, no one knows what their policies are going to be. If they change something that could make the stock market lose its value, no one knows. That's why many people are scared when there's a new president. If Donald Trump is selected, he has said multiple times that he will not go in a lockdown. However, if Joe Biden is selected, he has said that he will ask the experts for their advice, meaning that the US will most likely go into a second lockdown. If the US goes into a second lockdown, things can go very bad again. Similar to the first lockdown, the stock market could reach lows as it saw in the first lockdown in the month of March and April. Is a bigger crash coming? The short answer, no one knows if a bigger crash is coming, if the market would reach newer highs in the coming days. Absolutely no one has the exact answer to if a bigger crash is coming or not. However, I know one thing for sure is that you buy low and sell high. Considering that the stock market has lost 1000 points yesterday, I see as an opportunity for a long-time investor like me to keep on cost averaging into the market and keep on investing in the stock market, because in the long term, if you are an optimist, the markets will go up in the long term. Another thing that I'll do is keep some money in my brokerage account so that if a company I like is at a low price, I will be able to buy their stock. To sum everything up, yes, there is market volatility. Yes, the prices go up and down. But if you are a long-term investor, you should keep on dollar cost averaging and keep investing consistently. And if you are a beginner in investing, I recommend that you do not invest in single stocks. Invest in ETFs so that your risk is mitigated. My name is Mohammad Hassan, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and please share this video with your friends if you think this will help them out. Until the next video, bleib gesund.